Ariwallet is another potential airdrop. This is a mobile app testnet, as you can see here. So it's a layer 1 airdrop. Let's go to the S page so I can get to show you how to take part in this testnet and get rewarded with ARI tokens. The team already said that everyone who interacts with this ARI wallet who accumulates ARI points will be eligible for future ARI token. So let me show you how to take part in this. Over here you can see Ariwallet is the central app of the ARICHAIN ecosystem, which will bring innovation to Web3 content and entertainment. So it's a layer 1 Web3 app that will bring innovation to Web3 content and entertainment. As the holders of ARI points in Ariwallet will become eligible for future ARI airdrops. So enter the ARI ecosystem through Ariwallet and explore what lies ahead. So the link to download this Ariwallet app will be in the description. So you can go to Play Store, you can go to App Store if you're using iOS to download it, and then you just have to earn ARI points by completing daily check-in tasks and quiz missions. Then you also can invite friends. So let's go back to the app. So I will send the link where you just link within the description. You just click and then get access to register with your email and get access to this. So when you come over here, click on testnet. The mainnet is still on its way. Click on testnet. So when you come over to testnet, you can earn points first by checking in daily. So before it used to be 10 points, but it's currently 30 points. So better we join early now before they start slashing points. I'll just check in and claim my points for today. So you've earned 30 ARI. So there are two different types of missions: daily missions and general missions. So daily missions, you just have to check in daily, and then for the general missions, for the other part of daily missions, you just have to take part in this quiz. Now I usually drop the answers to this quiz, the Ariwallet quiz, the Xenia quiz. I wrote the answers on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link will be in the description, so do well to click on it and take part in this airdrop. So over in general, you can see this is the general missions, which give you 100 ARI tokens. So I've already visited their Twitter and gotten the point. So next, just visit their Telegram, join Discord, and visit their ARICHAIN website to take part to get the points that were allocated. So over here, then they also mentioned something about KYC, but not everybody has gotten access to take part in KYC. So I have 540 ARI points currently. So and that way too, you can perform this testnet by performing a lot of transactions. Taking part in transactions are transactions I've done recently, but other ways to send. So you can get your friend should send you their wallet address, and you just send them a particular amount of token from your own, and then send them your own address, and they will send you just like that. That's another way you can complete transactions and be eligible for this airdrop. So this ARICHAIN airdrop is really not so difficult. This is my wallet address over here, up here, and then this is the referral code. You can also get to invite friends so that you can get as much points as possible. So the link to download this app will be in the description. Also my referral code will be in the description, because you also need it to participate in this airdrop. Another important thing is this master key. When you save your master key, ensure to copy it and save it in your Google Keep, or save it in the discrete place, because in order for you to continue having access to this app or to your password, you need your master key to gain access. I think that's all for the ARICHAIN wallet. So endeavor to join my Telegram channel, where I will be posting a lot of updates about the ARICHAIN and also the daily quiz for ARICHAIN and Xenia. And do well to subscribe and share this video. Also turn on your post notifications so you can get more information from me. So that's all. This airdrop is quite easy to do, so don't feed, don't procrastinate. Join it as soon as possible. See you next time.